Hello and welcome to Transpire Online. In this video we are going to learn the concepts of particle swarm optimization algorithm. This algorithm is one of the most well-regarded algorithms in the literature of optimization and has been widely used in a variety of fields in science and industry. The goal of optimization is to find values of the variables that minimize or maximize the objective function while satisfying the constraints. While the particle swarms optimization, abbreviated to PSO, is a computational method that optimizes a problem by iteratively trying to improve a candidate solution with regard to a given measure of quality. Proposed by Kennedy and Eberhardt, describes many philosophical aspects of PSO and swarm intelligence. The main inspiration of particle swarm optimization algorithm is why birds flock, bees swarm, fish school, and ants do forms colonies. They are all doing this because the groups are smarter when thinking together than the individuals. In the purpose of birds flocks, it improves a bird's chance of survival against predators because a large group of birds is stronger and better protected. In the purpose of bees swarm during spring when warmer weather, together with an abundance of nectar and pollen, provide ideal conditions for the colony to increase rapidly. In the purpose of fish schooling seems to have evolved as a defense against predators and in some cases as a way to increase feeding efficiency in ants from colonies because they together build their nests and ants will feed on about anything that they can get together. When thinking together then the individuals would be more effective. Scientists call this as swarm intelligence, and it combines the power of many minds into one. Thus PSO algorithm is inspired by the collective behavior of some animals. Why swarm? Making good decision is critical to any organization. Swarm empowers team quickly converge on optimal solutions, greatly outperforming votes, polls and surveys. Let's take a very simple example how a team will use swarm in organization. Imagine a team needs to make a highly controversial decision: what color should be assigned for the product image? Shuffle the color red, orange, yellow and green to maximize the group's overall satisfactions by voting. Let's say two people vote red color, one for orange and one for yellow. The more votes must be the best choice. From this the optimized answer is obtained by swarm. Thus the swarm intelligence algorithms find a better path and optimize the selective satisfactions. What is a swarm artificial intelligence? The answer for this question goes back to the concept of birds, fish, bees, and ants, which artificial swarm intelligence is a method of thinking together which stimulates smarter results than alone. Thus a new technology called artificial swarm intelligence has enabled human groups to form similar systems over computer networks. Just imagine brain is the system of neurons which deeply connected to the intelligence. The swarm is a system of brains that connected to the super intelligence. Therefore a swarm intelligence-based techniques can be used. US military is investigating swarm techniques for controlling unmanned vehicles. NASA is investigating the use of swarm technology for planetary mapping, swarm intelligence to control nanobots within the body for the purpose of killing cancer tumors. Swarm intelligence has also been applied for data mining. Here is the pseudo code of particle swarm optimization algorithm. The algorithm starts with initializing the controlling parameters. We can then initialize the population of the particles, and we have a main loop. In the main loop we need to first calculate the objective for each particle to be able to update the p-best and the g-best. After calculating the objective p-best and g-best we can then update the velocity and position vectors for each particle, and at the end of this loop we can return g-best as the best approximation for the global optimum. The advantages of the PSO algorithm. PSO is based on intelligence, so it can be applied into both scientific and research engineering use. PSO have no overlapping and mutation calculation. The search can be carried out by the speed of the particle. During the development of several generations, only the most optimist particle can transmit information onto the other particles, and the speed of the researching is very fast. The calculation in PSO is very simple. Compared with the other developing calculations, it occupies the bigger optimization ability and it can be completed easily. PSO adopts the real number code, and it is decided directly by the solution. The number of the dimension is equal to the constant of the solution. The disadvantages of PSO algorithm is PSO method easily suffers from the partial optimism, which causes the less exact at the regulation of its speed and the direction. PSO method cannot work out the problems of non-coordinate system, such as the solution to the energy field and the moving rules of the particles. PSO method cannot work out the problem of scattering and optimization. Applications and challenges. In healthcare, PSO has been used in diagnosing problems of a type of leukemia through microscopic imaging. In the economic science, PSO has been used to test restricted and unrestricted risk investment portfolios to achieve optimal risk portfolios. In the engineering field, PSO can be found in the literature in order to increase the heat transfer coefficient involved in the optimization problem. In the field of thermodynamics, PSO can be used for geometric optimization problems in order to find the best system configurations that best fit the design constraints. The particle swarm optimization algorithm is able to challenge and deal with the strategies with a broad range of problems and analyzed the best fits optimization. Thank you for watching. For more videos, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for new notification. Happy learning through Transpire Online.